everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithchar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. I have a great tip to share with you today. Today is Friday, which means I either have a tip or a technique to share, and what a great tip this is. So when you get your stamps, you will notice that your stamps have a sheet of stickers that go with it. So I usually don't put my stickers on my stamps. I find that they lose their sticky a little bit, and for me it's just, I prefer to do it this way. I don't put mine on. But I'm going to show you a great tip to help you align your stamp and your stickers together to get a good proper placement. You're going to take a good old-fashioned Sharpie and you are going to go, now if you look at your stickers, there's a line that goes around the sticker, so you're going to just go around with the Sharpie around that line. You also want to try and keep the sticker on the sheet, and you'll notice that the sticker has a split in it. So you're going to pull off one side, then you are going to get off the other side like so. You're now going to come in with your stamp, and you are just going to put it in there. So now you're able to see around it and see exactly where that sticker has to go. So when you pull it off, your sticker is right in the right place, right where it needs to be. Cool. I'll show you one more time. And again, just going to go around. Now this may seem tedious, but let me tell you, if you've ever tried a fussy with this without doing this tip, it can be tough. I think that's also why I just kind of, I don't need the stickers that bad. But some people enjoy having them on there. And yeah. And again, you're just going to line it in there. Give it a press and boom, right where it's supposed to be. So I hope you found today's tip useful. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you did enjoy my video, you guys give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you won't miss my next video. If you're interested in any of the products that I used today and you are in the US, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a detailed written description over on my website, www.stampwithchar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. And I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe weekend. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.